Let's meet the letter A. A. Airplane, airplane. A. Apple, apple. A. Ant, ant. A. Arrow, arrow. Apples, apples. Apples all around. Apples on the tree, apples on the ground. Apple red and round, an apple I have found. Let's meet the letter B. B. Ball, ball. B. Banana, banana. B. Bird, bird. B. Book, book. Ba, ba, black sheep. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Let's meet the letter C. C. Car, car. C. Cat, cat. C. Cup, cup. C. Clown, clown. Hat, the cat. My pet cat. She can catch a rat. Pat is cute and fat. She has her own favorite mat. Let's meet the letter D. D. Door, door. D. Dress, dress. D. Dog, dog. D. Doll, doll. Dan, Dan, the fine old man, washed his face in the frying pan, combed his hair with the leg of the chair. Dan, Dan, the fine old man. Let's meet the letter E. E. Elephant, elephant. E. I. E. Ears, ears. E. Eggs, eggs. Emma the elephant. Emma the elephant has 2 huge ears. She flaps them here and there. Emma has a long trunk too, and she lives in the zoo. Let's meet the letter F. F. Fish, fish. F. Frog, frog. F. Fly, fly. F. Flower, flower. The farmer and the dove, the farmer and the dove, the farmer and the dove. Hey ho the dry-o, the farmer and the dove. Let's meet the letter G. G. Goat, goat. G. Girl, girl. G. Grapes, grapes. G. Goose, goose. Goosey, goosey, gander. Goosey, goosey, gander. Whither shall I wander? Upstairs and downstairs, and in my lady's chamber. There I met an old man who wouldn't say his prayers, so I bit him on his left leg. Let's meet the letter H. H. Hen, hen. H. Home, home. H. Helicopter, helicopter. H. Hand, hand. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock, the mouse ran down. hickory dickory dock. Let's meet the letter I. I, ice, ice. I, iron, iron. I, insect, insect. I, ink, ink. I'm a lion, I'm a lion. Hear me roar, hear me roar. I love to sleep out in the sun and chase other animals for fun. In all the jungle, I'm number one, I'm a lion. Let's meet the letter J. J, jug, jug. J, jam, jam. J, jeep, jeep. J, jar, jar. Jump the rope, jump the rope. Jump, jump, jump. Jump it high, jump and jump it low. Jump, jump, jump. Jump it fast and jump it slow. Let's meet the letter K. K, cattle, cattle. K, king, king. K, key, key. K, kite, kite. Was once a little kite, kitey whitey flighty. Kitty out a sighty little kite. Let's meet the letter L. L, lemon, lemon. L, lion, lion. L, leaf, leaf. L, lamp, lamp. London Bridge is falling down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. My fair lady. Let's meet the letter M. M, moon, moon. M, mother, mother. M, mango, mango. M, monkey, monkey. M is for Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man? M is for monkeys, 5 little monkeys. M is for mulberry bush. Here we go around the mulberry bush. M is for Mary. Mary, quite contrary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. M is for Miss Mary Mac. Miss Mary Mac. Mac, Mac, Mac. Let's meet the letter N. N, net, net. N, nest, nest. N, nuts, nuts. N, nurse, nurse. 9 little nightingales, 9 little nightingales sit on the roof at night, all using together. Tweet, tweet, tweet. They sound so sweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Let's meet the letter O. O, owl, owl. O, oil, oil. O, orange, orange. O, ostrich, ostrich. Oka boka soda croca. Oka boka soda croca. Oka boka boo. In comes Uncle Sam and out goes you. Let's meet the letter P. P, parrot, parrot. P, pineapple, pineapple. P, penguin, penguin. P, panda, panda. Peter Pan, Peter Pan ate peas in a plate. He was always late. Peter Pan had a pink parrot. It liked eating carrots. Let's meet the letter Q. Q, queen, queen. Q, quail, quail. Q, question mark, question mark. The Queen of Hearts, the Queen of Hearts, she made some tarts all on a summer's day. The Knave of Hearts, he stole the tarts and took them clean away. Let's meet the letter R. R, rainbow, rainbow. R, ring, ring. R, rose, rose. R, rabbit, rabbit. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Let's meet the letter S. S, stars, stars. S, strawberry, strawberry. S, sun, sun. S, spider, spider. Sally and Molly. Sally and Molly go to the sea. They search for seashells on the shore. Along came a snake and scared Sally and Molly far, far away. Let's meet the letter T. T, train, train. T, tree, tree. T, turtle, turtle. T, T, T. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Let's meet the letter U. U, unicorn, unicorn. U, umbrella, umbrella. U, upstairs, upstairs. Up and down, up and down. I touch the ground. Up and down, I go round and round. Up and down, I touch the sky. Up and down, I can fly. Let's meet the letter V. V, van, van. V, vase, vase. V, violin, violin. Vroom, vroom goes the van, fast, fast, fast on the road. Vroom, vroom goes the van, slow, slow in the street. Vroom, vroom goes the van. Let's meet the letter W. W, whale, whale. W, watch, watch. W, watermelon, watermelon. W, wolf, wolf. Wash hands, Mommy would say wow. If you want your hands washed, do it now. Let's meet the letter X. X, xylophone, xylophone. X, X-ray, X-ray. Woodcutter Jim. Woodcutter Jim had an axe. He made a small box. Along came Mr. Fox and marked it with an X. Let's meet the letter Y. Y, yatch, yatch. Y, yo-yo, yo-yo. Y, yam, yam. You shall have an apple. You shall have an apple to keep your tummy full. Mama will be happy and will give you a yam. Let's meet the letter Z. Z, zebra, zebra. Z, zoo, zoo. Z, zigzag, zigzag. Zippy the zebra lived in the zoo. Zippy the cow says moo. She lives in the zoo too. I'll go there too.